Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this video we will define routing for our project. So now let's start with the points of this video, then we will jump on example. First of all, we will make some component like login component, header component, and registration component, add product component, update product component, etc. And after that we will define routing, and in header component we will use Bootstrap NavBar so that we can make a decent navigation bar and header without writing extra CSS. And in this navbar we will define links for our pages, and these pages will come from our components, right? Now let's just start with the writing our component. First of all, I'm just going to make a file with the name of login, and here we will make our login component. So just write here function login, and we can return statement. Inside a div we can make a h1 tag, and here we can just write here login page. Now just export it, export default login, and let's copy this component and use this code in all components so that we can make a simple skeleton for every component, and we will write more codes and logic whenever we will make a separate video for every component. So now just define register component dot js. Don't need this extra s, and just paste this code and replace login name with register. Make two more components like add product .js, and one more like update product .js, and last one is header .js. And just simply write this. Let me just change this text also. And change the text and replace the spellings with the add product. And just export it with add product. Now we can close it, we don't need it for a moment. Even registration and login we can also close them, and just click on update product and just replace the text date product, and replace the exported name also. And at the last, let's just go for header. So right here header. Even you can just change the name of this file if you want, this is not mandatory, right? All right, everything is fine, but in header we don't need this kind of text, we will just need to define some navigation bar, right? So just write here React Bootstrap NavBar, and there is a lots of navigation bar example, you can just choose whatever you want. So I will prefer that one which is in the black color, so just take that much code, which is fair enough, and replace with it. And also we need to import this navbar and nav from Bootstrap library. So right here import something from React Bootstrap, and just write here navbar and nav, and we don't need this form for a moment, so we can just remove it. And now let's import this header inside our app. So just write here import something from header, and obviously our component is again header, and let's use it like this. Now let's see what we are getting as an output. This is looking good. We have a navbar here with 3 menus. Yes, we need to just change these menus text. So now just make a link here. For that we have to import React routing, import something from React router DOM, and let's import here link, because we just want to replace our links here, right? So just use link like this, and we can just put here home. No, we don't need to put here home, just write here add product, and we have to mention here to simply means where it have to jump on a click. So we can put here add. On that we can just add some more links, 3 and 4th one we can just remove this bootstrap link, and just write here update products. We can just write here products, right? And then login and register. And let's remove this product also, and just change here add update, which is we are changing the link here, login and register. Great. And here we can put our product name also, like ecom, like this. Okay, so here you can see that we have an error. You should not use link outside a route, but where we have to use this route there, no, you don't need to make a router here. You can just make a router inside app.js. So simply use here import something from React router DOM, and just simply browse here, import here browser router, and make a wrapper like this and use it just inside our div. And now you can see that this is looking okay, but there is no space between these links. So let's make some space between links. So for that you can just put here CSS inside header. Let's take let's add a class here, navbar wrapper, like this, and just open app.css and just simply write here dot this a, because inside it we have a anchor tag, right? You can check it from here if you want, like this, and just put here padding left 30 pixel, and now we have a decent space, and this is okay. The links is changing the URL, but there is no page to open. So now let's see how we can open any page here. So for that we have to import these all components inside our app. So just write here import login from login, and let's make a 4 copy of it, write registration, add product, change that one also, and update product, and let's change it also. Now let's import here route, like this, and just simply write here route like this, and let's say you can just write here a login component, right? You want to open here a login component, but on which path we want to login component. So path should be defined here. So just simply write here login. Now you will find nothing is actually working on that one on registration. On a login, okay, we have another error because we just need to write here a slash. Now you can see that there is a no component on add product, update product and registration, but we have a component on login, right? So that's why I just put here path. So the similar path we can just put for all other component also, like register. For that we can open register, add, and for on add path we can open here add product, and at the last one we can write here update. On update path we will just open here update product. So how these path will be we will achieve, they are actually open when we click on these links. So you can see that these paths are mentioned here on a links. So now you will find that every path will be working fine on okay. So I just need to change this component also, update product. So why okay, just I need to just update here text, update page, add product, update product or page, whatever you can say. Just let me write here product. So we just created a skeleton for routing, and in the next video we will see that how we can just add a login page, and we will make a login API also. The link is given in the description for that API whenever we will create a login page, right? So thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, query, you can ask me here or on my Instagram account.